Today, we're diving into the magical world of natural gardening solutions. We're going to show you how to make a baking soda spray that works as a fungicide and pesticide. It's eco-friendly, easy to make, and super effective. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 gallon of water, 1 teaspoon of dish soap, make sure it's biodegradable, and a spray bottle. First up, we're going to start with our base, 1 gallon of water. You can use tap water, but if you have rainwater, that's even better. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps to create an alkaline environment, which fungi and pests dislike. Now, for the secret ingredient, 1 teaspoon of biodegradable dish soap. This helps the solution stick to the plants and pests. Give it a good stir until everything is well dissolved. It's like we're making a garden potion. Once it's mixed, pour it into your spray bottle. Make sure to label it so you know what's inside. Now let's get spraying. Apply this to your plants in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid the intense midday sun. Focus on areas where you see signs of fungal infections or pests. Don't forget to spray the undersides of the leaves too. This is where many pests like to hide. Here are a few extra pointers to make the most out of your baking soda spray. 1. Keep a gardening journal. Note down the plants you treat and how they respond. This helps in fine-tuning your approach. 2. Avoid spraying in direct sunlight to prevent leaf burn. 3. Use this spray as a preventive measure as well as a treatment. Regular applications can keep problems at bay. And there you have it, a simple, natural and effective baking soda spray to keep your garden healthy and thriving. Remember to reapply after it rains or if you water your plants overhead. So give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a gardening tip.